In this video, we're going to show you how to sign into your online GP services for the first time. First of all, you'll need to register with your GP surgery for online services. If you haven't done that already, the easiest way to do it is to go into your GP surgery in person and ask at the reception. They should be able to print you off a letter with your GP online services registration details on. This will include a username, a password, organization code, account ID, and your passphrase. What we'll need today is your username and password to access the System Online GP services. So if you've watched the video on creating shortcuts for System Online, you'll have that already set up. We'll click on the shortcut that we've created. And if you've got the letter, you just need to click in where it says username and type your username in. It's all lowercase. Once you put the username in, click on the password and type that in. It can be a mixture of uppercase, lowercase and symbols, so just make sure that you get it right. Once you've put that in, what you need to do is just click login. And as it's the first time that we signed in, it'll ask us to change the password, as the one they give you is just a temporary one until we've done the initial setup process. So I have to type that current one back in again. Just take your time to make sure that you've done it correctly. And then create a new password. So in here we've got the option for Chrome to create their own one. Or you can type in a password of your choosing. So we'll create one here. And then you'll need to confirm that password. So just making sure that you're following the rules up here, uppercase, lowercase, numeric, non-alphanumeric. So you just need 3 out of those 4. So we just need to use the 3. You don't need a symbol and a number. You can go for numbers or a symbol, or you can do both if you wish to make it a bit more secure. So we'll just type that in again. And then once we've done that, we'll click submit. And there we go, your password's been changed. This may pop up here with the password saved. There's nothing in the username, so if we did want to save it, we'd need to type the username back in there again. Otherwise it won't work next time. Now, I would say if you're using a shared computer or public computer, I wouldn't recommend for you to save the password. But if it's your own personal computer which you use regularly, that'll be fine. So you can go ahead and save that. If you didn't want to save it, you can click on never or the X upon there. The password is now being changed. If we just click back, and that takes us onto the main home screen. So to give you just a quick guide on here, it's got your name and your date of birth at the top, your GP surgery's address and details on there with the usual GP, and it's got the telephone number for your surgery as well. You can access your appointments, your records, you've got your medication and your account. They're also available at the top, and if you just hover over any of them, the drop down menu appears and you can select which option that you need. Once you've finished, you just need to log out. So at the top right corner, just click where it says log out, and that's it. If you then want to go back into the service, you'll need to log back in, and that's where you need to type your username and password in again.